Hi, and welcome to week 9. We are past midterm, and this week is all about your presentations. I'm not even going to show you any history. I'm giving you the full time this week to work on your presentation. I know it's going to take a little bit to translate your paper into kind of like a PowerPoint or Adobe presentation, to practice your speech and record it, so I want to make sure you have plenty of time. So we're going to be using VidGrid. It's part of Canvas to record your presentation. I have this link here. This is a great video from CDAT, the Center of Instructional Design at St. Xavier, and they go over how to use VidGrid. I'm also going to do it in this video. I tried to do a couple different ways because I know people have used it before, people haven't. Your computer is going to change based on if you have, so I tried to do a few different ways. But what are we recording? Your presentation. So this is part 2. I've copied this from part 1 just so you know. Similar to a normal class period, you're going to teach us about a topic in animation history. You can show us a clip that demonstrates your topic, and you'll have discussion questions that the class should think about while watching and discuss after. So your presentation / talking section should be about 3 to 5 minutes. Now that's without your 1-minute clip, so 3 to 5 of you telling us stuff. Then you'll show the video example. Try to show about a minute of footage to make sure your topic is understood. So we're looking at a 4 to 6 minute video, okay? So we're going to use VidGrid for this. Week 9 this week is creating that recorded presentation. For your presentation, you're going to need to make a visual guide. So again, a PowerPoint, Adobe, whatever you want to do, but you just want to, give it a title. And then this will also help you for your presentation to have notes about what you would like to say. But make sure to discuss what's important about your topic, what was going on during this time period, how is this similar or different to other things that were going on or happening throughout time, why did you choose this topic, what can we learn from it, and then of course fully explain what you're talking about. In your presentation you can cite your sources, you can have the link ready to go for your clip, whatever you want. I'm leaving this kind of open. If you are unsure how to use PowerPoint or Adobe to create a presentation, let me know. But again, you're just kind of creating a visual guide. We're going to be recording our screens to show it, so having kind of a visual up for your presentation. All right, so let's take a look at VidGrid. So this is our History of Animation class. If you scroll down, we have VidGrid Login and VidGrid Portal. You're going to want to go to VidGrid Login. You may need to log in here. It's supposed to be connected to Canvas, so I just always go here first. But then you can go down to the VidGrid Portal. Okay, now if you've never done this before, you're going to need to download VidGrid. I have a little tutorial that I'm going to post in just a second, but you can always go to record. You're going to open VidGrid screen or recorder, and you can change the resolution here. You'll see the gray box and you can click and drag to move. So you want to make sure that this gray box is showing your presentation. You can change the resolution. You're going to want it to be fairly high. If you have this kind of tiny box, your recording is going to look pretty pixelated. So I would at least kind of get your full screen, then you can make your presentation full screen as well. I'm going to make this smaller to make sure you can see it. I've got kind of inception going on. I've got a video recorder recording a video recorder. So you're just going to click record. You may need to activate the sound. Again, I'm going to post a little video right after this showing the first time downloading. It's from a different class that I recorded. So obviously you're not in senior seminar, but that is the first time that I downloaded the recorder, so I can show you how to do that. Then all you'll do is hit record, make sure your presentation is up. You'll give your presentation, la 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 la, this is fine and dandy, and then it says, press the check to stop or finish recording. So, and that was my presentation, and you can stop. You can name it, so Fuller History Fuller presentation, go to video, and you have it in your VidGrid. Okay, so what we'll end up doing is embedding this in the discussion board. So you've got share and down here, and you'll just copy and paste this embed into your discussion board. And you can also use this link if you prefer. You don't have to embed it, you can just copy and paste. And this is what you'll use to submit into Canvas as well. Okay? All right, let's look at what happens if you click on VidGrid Portal and you haven't done it before. Again, an older video, but it works well. Brings up this new window and you'll hit record video. Now, I've never done this before, so to record a video, you need to install the software. Download. You can do save file. Then it tells you, open the application, record a video, continue to VidGrid. So I'm going to go to my downloads, double click on the screen recorder to make sure that it is actually downloading. Double click to install. You're just going to say open. It's saying it's downloaded from the internet, but we know it's a secure site. And then we have this recorder set up. All right, so between the two ways I talked about in this video and the one from CDAT, hopefully you don't have any issues recording. I know it can be intimidating. You don't have to show your face. You can if you want. Take a deep breath. I'm not judging you. We're just trying to learn some information about animation. Practice so you feel confident and you can go through all of these questions. It's going to be exciting. Then you're going to post that presentation in the discussion board here. Okay? Make sure you include your discussion questions as well. So just submit it in Canvas, same time, post it here in the discussion board. You do not need to watch anybody's this week. Next week in week 10, we're going to be watching a minimum of 5 and commenting in the discussions. Okay? So this week, just get your project posted in here. Let me know if you have any questions, and I really look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. I'll talk to you soon.